Yeah, what I'm doing today is I'm driving my own Mercedes Sprinter bus. It's typically what we travel on with the team. And you'd say, well, Coach, why would you be driving your own bus? Like, don't you have people to drive it? Well, I believe in a theory, and the theory is you need to check, and recheck everything. This is a $100,000 vehicle. I need to check to see how it drives. I need to check to see how the brakes work. I need to check. See, it's part of a bigger theme. And the bigger theme is in your business and in your life, when you don't check things and you don't recheck it, something always goes wrong. So my philosophy is a couple of things. Number one, never allow another person to stand between you and your destiny. Never place your destiny in another person's hands. People do that all the time. This bus is my responsibility. I purchased it. So I need to know if it's working or not. I need to know how to work it. I need to know how to work the CRM system. I need to know how to make a sales call. I need to know how to process a customer. I mean, these are things that I may not do every day because I own the business, but I need to know how to do these things. Okay, I need to know how tough is it driving this bus? What is it like riding in the back of it? How safe is it? So the bigger point I'm trying to make to you here, and we're about to go wash this bus. Now, I could pay $150 for somebody to detail this bus to wash it, but it nothing like getting your own hands on your own product and service, right? So, what's the moral of the story? What's the moral of this story I'm telling you? We got to check it. We got to check it, and we got to recheck it. I come out and vacuum the bus. Let me tell you what I do. I take the what is it, Jorge? The bathroom on the bus.
Mm-hmm.
I take it out. I take it and empty it out myself with my own hands. So why do I do that? To appreciate it, to not lose sight of it. We have a core value in my company that everybody takes the trash out, and that includes Coach Burt. Now we ain't got a rule that everybody cleans the toilet out, but maybe we should, because old Coach Burt has to dump the toilet, but it's Coach Burt's bus. So I just want to say that to you guys, because anytime we make a mistake in my company, and everybody makes mistakes, man, it's because we didn't check it again, and we didn't recheck it. So old Coach on Saturday is checking and rechecking his bus to look at this investment and see how it's going. Don't forget that.